Well, Chad Ikes came into town and said he wanted to do some four-wheeling with me. So my main four-wheel rig that I've been building for a number of years still isn't done yet, but I went and picked up my little light-duty, little Suzuki Samurai wheeler, four-link front and rear Toyota axles, designed and built all that. Full hydraulic steering, little powered by a Kubota turbo diesel. That was mated to the stock tranny transfer case by someone else a while ago. But recently added some propane injection on top of the turbo diesel for a little extra power. And yeah, first time out hitting the trails in a few years, and I had a blast. So I'm really glad he talked me into going out, and we had a good time. And much like squat depth, hill height or angle cannot be seen well on camera. This one here is pretty challenging to even stand on. If we roll off, we're probably gonna. Oh, we probably had a good at least 3 to 4 spins before we'd hit the bottom of this baby. So get a little dicey with my friend jumping up down there every now and again. Because if you hit these rocks wrong and fly off, it's a done deal. There's no audio on these first couple quick clips, so I'll just keep talking. But 37-inch IROCs on here. They've got internal bead locks on there, so we're running about 6 psi on these. I know they look pretty full. Reinforced rims. We got 16-inch coilovers on the front, hydraulic bumps. The rear, I'm just running some air shocks and some Timbren bumps, but works pretty well. You can see the suspension handles itself pretty good. Curry anti-sway bar in the rear as well. That really cleans up a lot of the suspension with those cheaper components. So pretty pleased with that. And the other rig I'm building, in case I'm sure people ask the question, I've got some custom Unimog axles I imported from Germany a number of years ago. Chopped them up, rebuilt them, cryo-treated gears, 300M axle shafts, central tire inflation I designed and built myself, four-wheel steering, and stuffing all that under a Dodge Durango. I know it sounds odd. I was building a tube chassis buggy, actually built the whole thing, had that all in there, but realized I kind of do a lot of things, so I backed off of competing in rock crawling, rock racing, and so building four-wheel door rigs for taking the family and stuff like that. So I needed a four-door rig with the right wheelbase and a power plant that I could bolt on, do a bolt-on kit to get me, a little over 500 horsepower and foot-pounds of torque. Don't need a lot more than that with the gearing that's running it. It's got a 4-speed Atlas transfer case, 756 axle gears in the Unimog axles. So a little more than that, it's going to be a problem. So enjoy the Oregon Trails. Audio's coming on here in just a second.
back through here it is, yeah. Although, I don't know. These rocks seem to be... I think you want to go this way, Chris. That looks quite a bit easier. Getting more confidence he's going to break something now. Yep. Oh man. That's a big rock. I don't know, that rock might actually flip over. You can't put it in reverse and get back under it? I'm gonna get out of the way of that rock. That thing's huge. One of these times it might start, so feel free to try it. One of these times.